If you're looking for the gold standard in reliability and value in a pickup truck, this is the one. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, Alabama, and today I'd like to show you this beautiful 2023 Toyota Tacoma double cab SR5 V6. Absolutely beautiful truck, super nice, crazy low miles. Around back, factory tow package, backup camera, locking tailgate handle, easy down tailgate. Really cool trifold tonneau cover, factory power sliding rear window. Argent colored 16-inch alloy wheels with a great set of Toyo open country tires. Plenty of room for your rear seat passengers. It's ice cap with cement gray interior, factory tinted windows, color keyed door handles, color keyed mirror caps, Predator style step bars. Daytime running lights, projector beam headlights, fog lights down below, forward collision sensor in the middle of the grille. The SR5 comes with factory color keyed fender flares. It's equipped with passive keyless entry, bucket seats, even has a power seat, all weather floor mats throughout, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, cargo light controls, traction control, automatic headlights, auto dimming high beam headlights, fog light controls, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, audio controls, Bluetooth, trip computer functions, and intelligent radar cruise. Only 27,000, well cared for, one owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, backup camera, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, push button start, power sliding rear window controls, a USB port, a 12-volt outlet, console shifter, keyless entry key fob, factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report, and a compass located in your auto dimming rear view mirror. If you'd like to know more about this 2023 Toyota Tacoma double cab SR5, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.